Easy way to clean the grates is to utilize either Bon Ami or Barkeeper's Friend. That'll remove any spill or splatter. Now for the stovetop itself, anything that burns on, try to apply some water while it's still warm. After it cools down, it will easily wipe away. After roasting, while the oven is still warm, place a pan of water, a little bit of either lemon or white vinegar, and let the residual heat provide a steam throughout the evening, so the next day you can just wipe your oven out. Verona provides an easy-to-remove glass for the interior of the oven. This is convenient, especially after using convection roast. They're the only oven of its kind in which you can remove the glass to easily clean in the sink. Best way to clean the griddle is to utilize some kosher salt and a little bit of oil, and this is directly after you've cooked with it. So while it's still warm, the kosher salt can work as an abrasive. If you take advantage of using a little bit of lemon, this can work away any of the burnt-in impurities. It will also help season your griddle. Then in the end, just wipe it clean with a paper towel, leaving it slightly oiled for your next use. For more information, go to veronaappliances.com.